know. I'm Lulu's
Wait.
sister.
I just started.
Oh, okay. As y'all all know, I'm Lulu's sister. This is me and Lulu's new dance. Alright. It's me and her new dance. Alright, ready? This is the whining. The new remix. Ready? Like, all up in here. You gotta do a little mixtape. I'm sorry. Okay, I need to stop laughing because I'm not concentrating. Okay. Girls, if y'all want to look sexy, y'all gotta be like this. And like one leg. Show a little bit of your cheek chubs. You know, like that.
Yo, my stomach hurts.
You do it because you do it mad funny.
Wait, no, I'm not gonna put myself out there.
You're gonna put this up because you know some of y'all bitches only got back dimples, and y'all just be doing this. So I don't know. Go like this, and y'all be like this. But you gotta make sure you have a camel toe too.
Oh my god.
Alright, a camel toe and a wedgie here.
Some of them do be having wedgies though.
They do. They be having camel toes.
I'm saying.
I'll be like, yeah, bitch. And they be like this.
Make sure y'all wear like leggings and shit so it could show more.
Nah, and then the bitches trying to booty bounce with their thighs bouncing. Not the They be trying too hard. Y'all be trying too hard, boo boo. And then y'all be going like this. Like your stomach be bouncing.
Go more far.
Like your stomach just be bouncing shit. I don't get y'all sometimes. Oh my god, what else is it? What else? What else is it?
Oh, when they be whining in the front? From the front?
They just be looking ratchet, doing like the Macarena type shit. They be like you know, moving your hands and moving your legs. Like your fucking hips. You know?
Do the decorative. Like, what? How's it go? Whining at the same time.
Wait. Yeah, oh, ready? They be like that. You need to stop, yo. This is going on Facebook. I'm embarrassing myself.
Okay,
Hey, bye.
you done?